Guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube channel keywords. So the first step you need to do is to open YouTube and you need to search for your channel name. So I'm going to search my channel, and here you can see my channel on the top. So how you can add keywords? So first step, you need to click on your channel icon and go into the YouTube studio. So once you are in YouTube studio, you simply need to click on settings, and once you are in settings you simply need to click on channel, and here you can see keywords. So here you need to add your channel keyword I adding I am adding. So then you need to hit enter and click on save. Then you need to click on your channel and go on to the customize channel. So once you are here, you simply need to come on to the customize onto the branding, and here you can see on the basic info you have an option to add the description. Here you must add your channel name in the description, welcome to my channel Nextune Tech. In this channel I cover so on. So this is the process how you can add YouTube channel keywords. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.